Hello friends, in this video we'll see stub and driver in software testing. I'm AJ Zadav from KKWAG Polytechnic Nashik. Driver are nothing but the testing tools used to control and operate the software being used. For testing modules, it may require some inputs are to be received from another module. This module passes input to the module to be tested and is not ready and if it is under development. Suppose you are testing the software that requires large amount of data to enter for execution. For that purpose, you can replace the keyboard and mouse of the system being tested with additional computer which acts as the driver. Now in this diagram you will find there are various modules A, B, C. So main module is there, sub modules are there and leaf nodes are also there. Now if for testing FNG requires the large amount of data to be tested, large amount of input, but module C is not ready to give the inputs. So we can replace that module C with the driver which provides the input to leaf nodes, that is FNG. So it is used for temporary purpose for testing the leaf nodes and it is a dummy module. Driver is a piece of software that drives the unit being tested. It creates the inputs for the module under test and it is used in bottom-up strategy. So when we start from the leaf nodes, we require the inputs from upper modules, and if upper module is not completed, then we use dummy modules, that is driver, to give the input to the leaf nodes. Hence drivers are used in bottom-up strategy. Stubs are opposite of driver. They don't control and operate the software being tested. Instead, they receive or respond to the data. Suppose you are testing the software that sends data to the printer. To test that, we can enter data, print it and look at the resulting paper. But it is a very inefficient method. Every time we have to use one paper. So instead of that, instead of the printer, we'll use the dummy module called as a stub. We'll send that data to the module and we'll see how the print looks like. So, but if you replace the printer with another computer that running stub software that will read and interpret your data, it is much more feasible and quick to test software. Stubs are the programs that simulate the behavior of the software component that a module undergoing test depends on, and it is used in top-down integration testing. So your bottom modules are ready, but if you are to test upper modules, then you can take the data from those leaf nodules. And if that main module is not ready, then instead of that you can use the dummy module, and dummy module accept the data and interpret the result. So sub is a software program that works similar to a unit which is referenced by the unit being tested, but it is much simpler than the actual unit. So these dummy modules are required to simulate for testing instead of actual modules. These are called as stub, a piece of code that simulates the activity of missing components. A stub works as a stand-in for the subordinate unit and provides the minimum required behavior for that unit. Stub is called by module under test and it is used in top-down testing strategy. Stub and drivers are used to replace the missing software and simulate the interface between the software component and Simpleman. For testing module independently, we require the stub and driver, and both are the temporary programs written for the testing only. So in this diagram, we'll find there are stubs are used and drivers are used. Stub are used in top down and drivers are used in bottom up strategy. Thank you.